Political fireworks over the post of Leader of Opposition are expected to spill over onto the floor of the House, with the Congress set to raise the issue in the budget session. Meanwhile, sources tell Times Now that the Congress is getting ready for legal recourse if it continues to be denied the post.
Less than 2 months ago, they were struggling to destroy the Modi wave, hoping against hope to win a third term. And now, ironically, the Congress's biggest tussle is to grab the position of Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha. And sources say it may even take the legal route to take on the ruling BJP.
To somebody 30 years down the line, but a lot of things have changed over a period of time. In 3 decades, a lot of new legislations have been passed by the Parliament. New acts have been passed, wherein the requirement of the Leader of Opposition has been made essential through the Act of the Parliament in selecting the officers.
With sources stating that many within the party are pushing for a legal battle, clearly the Congress feels it has a strong case against the government.
The Speaker has powers to recognize it. But I don't know what is the hitch there to recognize it.
But while they mull over the decision, the government and its allies are sticking to their stand, pointing to the numbers.
वास्तविकता यह है कि सत्ता से हटने के बाद भी ऐसा प्रतीत हो रहा है कि कांग्रेस के अंदर अहंकार का भाव गया नहीं है।
अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी कोर्ट में जाना चाहिए तो जाइए। इस देश में जो नियम और कानून बना है संसद में, उस कानून के तहत एनडीए सरकार ने या लोकसभा स्पीकर ने उनको अगर कहा है कि आपको नहीं मिलेगा लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन, तो उसमें गलत क्या है?
The final decision on the legal challenge may depend on what reasons the Speaker provides for denying the Congress the position. But either way, the political battle over the Leader of Opposition post is likely to up the confrontation between the age-old political rivals.
Well, on the one hand, the Congress has threatened to go to court on the Leader of Opposition issue. The party also says that it does not need to formally approach the Speaker on this issue, as was suggested by the government a few days ago. But whether or not there is a change of heart as far as relevant authorities are concerned, the fact is that this budget session of Parliament could very well be held without any Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha. Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan in New Delhi for Times Now.